In this video, we are going to see about the ring topology. Ring topology refers to a specific kind of network setup in which the devices are connected in the ring and pass information to each other according to the adjacent proximity in the ring. This type of topology is highly efficient and handles the heavier loads better than the bus topology. And this is also called as active ring topology, and the messages are passed by each device in the ring, and the data travels in only one direction. And the advantages of it is it's easy to install, and managing is easier. The disadvantages are if the in the topology, the failure of any one single host may cause damage to the entire topology. Now we'll go to the simulation part. Now we'll go to the building part of it. First we need a switch, and we need end devices. Now we'll go to the connection. Now we'll go for configuring the devices. Go to desktop, ipconfig, and we have to give the IP address as 192.168.1.1.1. Enter, and this is being completed. Now we go to PC1. Desktop, ipconfig, find desktop, ipconfig, IP address is 3. We have configured all the devices, and now we will go to the simulation part. uh, we give show all. Nothing has been assigned, so we'll give edit filters and we'll select ICMP. ICMP and close it, and I will give a message from PC0 to PC2, and now we'll start stimulate. See, the message is moving from here PC0 to the switch 0, then it is moving to the switch 2, and then it is moving to switch 1, and then it reaches the PC2. The information has been sent, and the acknowledgement will be sent back to the PC0. See, the message has been traveled successfully, and thus it works. Thank you.